Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone. The DJI Mini 5 Pro redefines ultralight drone excellence. It weighs under 250 g, but don't let that fool you. With cinema-grade imaging, next-gen stabilization, and AI flight automation, this compact powerhouse is rewriting the rules. In this review, we cut through the fluff, highlight hidden performance features, and unpack what truly sets this drone apart in 2025. Why the Mini 5 Pro matters. The Mini 5 Pro isn't just another follow-up in DJI's cornerstone drone lineup. It represents a pivotal technology leap, blending portability with pro-level features. From unmatched flight autonomy and obstacle avoidance to extended flight time, this bot bridges the gap between hobbyist drones and high-end aerial cinematography. Video features 4K/60 FPS video with plausible upgrade toward 5.1K capture RAW and D-Log support for advanced color grading, essential for cinematic creators. Enhanced low-light performance thanks to a rumored 1-in sensor mechanical or hybrid. Global shutter optional under speculation, huge for mapping and pros. Glass design and build upgrades maintain sub 250 g. Wait for global drone compliance. New aerodynamic frame possibly using carbon fiber or reinforced polymers. Improved weather resistance for light rain and windy operations. User requested refinement. Collapsible arms with upgraded locking. For ultra portability. Release timing and pricing. DJI tends to introduce mini refreshes on a roughly annual cycle. Previously, the Mini 4 Pro launched in late September 2023. Following that cadence, the Mini 5 Pro is widely expected to appear in September-October 2025. With launch pricing speculated around $799 to $999 for the base kit. The Fly More combo bundle may reach $1,399, and pairing with DJI RC2 Smart Remote could tip the premium package toward $199 for $99. Camera system and imaging innovation. Sensor and dynamic range. The Mini 5 Pro is rumored to upgrade to a large 1-inch CMOS sensor, matching the Air series for richer dynamic range and improved sensitivity in low light. This is a substantial step up from the Mini 4 Pro's current 1/1.3 sensor setup. Video modes 4K up to 60 frames per second, maybe even pushing toward 5.1K. Slow motion 4K at 100 frames per second, similar to Mini 4 Pro. Enhanced mode RAW capture or D-Log color profile. Unlocking full cinematic potential. Expected to add mechanical or hybrid global shutter, a boon for professional imaging and mapping use cases. Gimbal and stabilization. DJI's gimbal tech is expected to offer improved vibration control and pitch stability, even during high wind operations or fast moves. The next-gen mini drone likely benefits from tighter motor calibration and stabilized flight algorithms. Flight performance, range, speed and autonomy. Battery power and efficiency. New high-density battery design speculated to offer up to 40 minutes of real-world flight, an improvement over the Mini 4 Pro's 34 min. Expected to feature fast charging, achieving 80% capacity in 30 minutes. Possible inclusion of a dual battery charging hub with active cooling for content creators on the move. Transmission and flight range. Introduction of OcuSync 5.0 could deliver a 20 km FCC-compliant video range, higher bitrate live stream, and ultra-low latency. Motors and ESC electronics are rumored to deliver speeds up to 20 meters per second in sport mode. Better wind tolerance and flight stability help maintain position under tougher conditions. Intelligent flight and AI features. Obstacle avoidance enhanced with advanced sensor fusion and AI prediction. Beyond the Mini 4 Pro's omnidirectional system. Waypoint and active tracking upgraded with multi-subject tracking, 3D terrain follow, and AI-assisted obstacle route prediction. Potential voice command integration via companion app. Speak commands to the drone. Cinematic presets that enable one-tap film-style camera moves and framing templates. Remote controls and accessories. RC2 Smart controller upgrade expected to include a brighter, more responsive display, possibly touchscreen with haptic feedback. Faster onboard processor enables fluid app performance and potential third-party app loading. Companion gear. New ND filter kit optimized for ultra-wide-angle shooting. Rugged carrying case and wind-adapted landing pad for field shooting. Optional modular lighting setup designed for low-light and nighttime drone flights. Improved compatibility with DJI Goggles 3 for FPV and immersive workflows. Affordable pro drone. The Mini 5 Pro may deliver pro-level features, mechanical shutter, RAW capture, advanced autonomy, all within a travel-friendly frame. If DJI prices it under $1,000, it could dominate as the best ultralight cinema drone for creators, tourists, and drone hobbyists alike. Sub 250 g design avoids extra drone regulation. Pricing may reach $1,400 for Fly More Plus controller. 1-inch sensor/D-Log video support. Advanced features may require firmware unlock. AI-powered tracking and obstacle avoidance. Battery life may be shorter in cold climates. Fast charging and long-endurance. Mechanical shutter could add cost and complexity. Compact and modular accessory ecosystem availability might be limited at launch. Must know: Hidden features better than meets the eye: wind resistance, allowing smoother shots in breezy environments, inclusion of custom color profiles and manual exposure modes. Addressing pro workflow demand, support for third-party creative apps, rumored to run on the RC2 interface, intelligent redundancy in safety systems, dual GNSS, auto landing in failsafe, and multi-point sensor failover. Final verdict: the DJI Mini 5 Pro looks set to be one of 2025's most impactful drone releases, offering a serious leap over its Mini 4 Pro predecessor, with richer imaging, smarter autonomous flight, longer range, and pro-level capabilities in an ultralight chassis. Whether you're a content creator, travel storyteller, or drone hobbyist, this model may strike the ideal balance: power, portability, and premium innovation. If DJI prices it competitively, ideally under US $1,000 for the base bundle, it could become the go-to ultralight drone for high-end features without the bulk. We'll likely see an official announcement in fall 2025. Stay tuned, watch for launch updates, and be ready to elevate your aerial creativity. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this update helpful, drop a like, add your questions below, and share your thoughts. Don't forget to hit subscribe and tap the bell so you never miss the latest drone breakdowns, tech deep dives, and aerial innovation reviews. Stay smart, fly safely, and capture the extraordinary with Techno Trend Zone.